Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick guide I'll show you two quick ways to add a watermark in Google Docs on your Windows PC. First, the built-in method. Open your document at docs.google.com, then click Insert Watermark. In the right hand panel, choose Image to upload or logo or picture. Adjust scale and transparency and toggle Tie Watermark if you want it repeated across the page. Next, if you prefer a text as watermark, switch to text in the same panel. Type in your text, pick font size, color, transparency, and angle. Then click Done to apply it to every page. Finally, if your account doesn't show the watermark option, copy the content into Google Slides and add the watermark there by going to Insert Text Box or Image, then adjust transparency. Export the slide as a PDF or image, then insert the file back into Docs or print as needed. And that's it guys, your new document now has a professional watermark. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.